Norpethidine, produced as a metabolite of pethidine, is responsible for following effect. Excitement. The following opioid is more potent than morphine. Fentanyl. Indicate the opioid analgesic that is used as transdermal patch for chronic and cancer pain. Fentanyl. The distinctive feature of methadone compared to morphine are high oral bioavailability, high plasma protein and tissue binding, delayed and milder withdrawal symptoms in dependent subjects. The following opioid analgesic is similar to codeine in pharmacological profile but is less constipating, that is dextropropoxifen. Select the analgesic which acts through opioid as well as additional spinal monoaminergic mechanisms. Tramadol. An opioid analgesic is preferred over aspirin-like analgesic in the following condition. Burn. Morphine affords symptomatic relief of dyspnea in acute left ventricular failure by the following mechanisms except bronchodilation. Morphine has high affinity for the following opioid receptors. Mu. Morphine has high affinity for mu receptors. Features of mu opioid receptors include the following except mediates low ceiling respiratory depression. Nalorphine is nearly equipotent analgesic as morphine but is not used clinically as an analgesic because it produces prominent dysphoric effects. Which of the following is an agonist-antagonist type of opioid analgesic? Pentazocine. Select the opioid analgesic which acts primarily through kappa opioid receptor. Pentazocine. The following opioids are kappa receptor analgesics except buprenorphine. Choose the correct statement about pentazocine. Its subjective effects are pleasurable at low doses but turn unpleasant at high doses. Pentazocine differs from morphine in that it has lower ceiling of analgesic effect. The following is true of buprenorphine. Naloxone is largely ineffective in reversing its effects. The following are pure opioid antagonists except nalbuphine. Select the correct statement about naloxone. It blocks mu receptors at lower doses than those needed for others. Which action of morphine is incompletely reversed by naloxone? Sedation. Lower dose of naloxone is required to precipitate withdrawal in highly morphine dependent subjects. Select the opioid antagonist that is preferred for long-term opioid blockade therapy of post-addicts. Naltrexone. The following is not true of naltrexone. It produces agonistic action of its own in the absence of morphine. The following statement is true about endogenous opioid peptides. They mediate stress-induced analgesia. Strychnine produces convulsions by blocking the inhibitory transmitter glycine. The following drug has been used to stimulate respiratory and vasomotor centers as an expedient measure because it has the least propensity to induce convulsions. Doxapram. The drug of choice for hyperkinetic children is methylphenidate. The neurotransmitter system in the brain most affected in Alzheimer's disease is cholinergic. Hepatotoxicity has markedly restricted use of the following cerebroselective anticholinesterase in Alzheimer's disease. Tacrine. The following is true of rivastigmine except it has been found to retard disease progression in Alzheimer's disease.